Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, for my lab test, I will analyze the gear for this road bike TBS 14 speed. So this bike have the drive gear at the front and the driven gear at the back. The driver gear have the largest teeth is 53 teeth for the large gear, and the smaller one have 36 teeth. And for the driven gear, the largest gear is 26 teeth, and the smallest gear is the 14 teeth. So for this lab test, the drive gear gonna be fixed to 53 teeth, and we're gonna change the driven output from 26 teeth to 14 teeth. So 26 teeth is the lowest speed, and the highest speed is for the smaller gear, which is the 14 teeth. Okay, now we're gonna change from low speed to high speed, which is from the large gear at the driven to the smallest gear. First change, second, third, fourth, the fifth, and the sixth, or the last one. So as you can see, the smaller gear give high speed to the wheel, as the driven gear have bigger teeth, so it's transmit a larger input to the smaller output and give the wheel much higher revolution. Okay, so to tighten or loosen the chain of the bicycle, we're gonna use the Allen key. So I have this multi tool, so they have Allen key in here. So I'm gonna show you where to tighten and loosen the chain of the bicycle. So here is tightener. So you need to adjust this part to loosen or tighten the chain, and this part. So these two is the place you have to adjust the tighten of the bicycle chain. So now we're going to calculate the gear ratio. So the main formula is this, the gear ratio formula. So as you can see, to find gear ratio, we need to take the speed of driving shaft and divide over the speed of driven shaft. It's also equal to the number teeth of the driven gear over the teeth of driver gear. So first step, we're gonna see at the bigger driven gear speed. So as we can see, the driver gear is 53 teeth, which is fixed, and the driven gear is 26 teeth. This is for the low speed and for the big gear. So assume the speed of the driving is 50 rpm. So 50 gonna be divided over the driven speed, which is 26 over 53, and we're gonna have the driven speed, which equal to 102.04 revolution per minute. Hence, the ratio is 26 over 53, which will equal to 0.49 ratio to 1. Then at the smaller driven gear speed, which is the 14 teeth compared to the 26 teeth. So 14 teeth is the smaller driven gear speed. So 50 over driven gear equal to 14 over 53. So then driven gear equal to 50 over 0.26, which will equal to 189.29 RPM or revolution per minute. Now the ratio is 14 over 53 equal to 0.26 ratio to 1. Thank you for watching this lab test.